Hey guys, Doug B here, your average axe-wielding hack. Welcome to part 2 of my Fractal Modelers for Beginners series. All right, let's get going. I hope that you all have been having a great Holidazed season and that you've been having fun trying out all the different presets and scenes in your modeler. When I got mine, I pretty much stayed on preset 000 for almost a week before trying other presets. And why not, right? It's a great sounding preset. And really, there are probably some guys that hit that first preset and said, I'm home. And they've never moved on from it. I mean, look, back in the day, we had 1 amp, and maybe at some point, you maybe changed the speaker. You probably had a couple pedals, but that was it, your entire rig. And you could play a whole gig with just that gear. Preset 000 might be your new rig that provides everything you need. There's literally no need to check out anything else. Alrighty then, enjoy. I'll be here if you have any other questions. The rest of you want to do more than live on preset 000 because you have a more adventurous side. Or maybe you're replacing some huge rig and you need to learn how your new modeler can solve that issue. Or maybe you're just simply curious to see what these modeler things can do. I'm here to get you started on that path at the very least. And since we're at the end of the year, we should probably look at making a good half dozen resolutions for the new year. While we're at it, let's make these resolutions something that you have at least a good chance of keeping. Number 1, I resolve to try out as many different factory presets as I can, especially in Bank A. Bank A is the meat and potatoes bank. Banks B and C have some fun stuff, absolutely, but you really should get familiar with Bank A. Number 2, I resolve to learn how to use the front panel, even if it kills me. It won't kill you, and it's really not that hard. We'll be going over the 5 knobs labeled A through E next week, plus some buttons if we have the time. Number 3, I resolve to learn how to use the editor, assuming I own a computer. It will make your quality time with your modeler that much better. Trust me on this. Number 4, I resolve to have fun while learning how to use my new modeler. If I ever get stuck trying a new concept, I'll stop, pick up my guitar, rock out for 5 minutes before approaching that new concept again. Number 5, I resolve to set some time limits with my modeler. It's easy to spend 10 to 12 hours a day playing with your new modeler, but unless you're a hermit, please don't neglect the other people in your life that want some of your time too. Thanks. And number 6, I resolve to read the owner's manual, even if I don't like reading owner's manuals. You know, me and other content creators, we try to pass on as much knowledge to you as we can, but there is no better source of information about your modeler than in the owner's manual. I refer to the manual a few times a week, at least a few times a week. Look, I know that your brain has probably been running on holiday mode since Thanksgiving, and end of year is not the best time to try to teach anybody anything new. I think that's why we all have these resolutions, because that's all we need to do is just, resolve to try to change some stuff. And let's face it, we all look at resolutions as more suggestions than actual promises to do things, right? But we can always try one more time, so yeah, let's give it one more good shot. Next Wednesday, we're going to try to recreate the Paul Gilbert airport flanger takeoff effect. Now, will I be successful or will I fall flat on my face? Hey, you don't want to miss that. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. All right, guys, have a fantastic holiday weekend, and I will see you next week.